Topper time.
Send a wrench.
You want to say hello to the camera?
We have liftoff.
You're gonna get squished right in here. He's working blind here, folks. High five.
Boom.
Welcome to another episode of the Yukon Boys. Jude's here, Luke's here, as well as their buddies, Noah and Finn. Say hello, everyone.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Howdy.
It's spring, which means it's time to put our truck top camper on the F-250. It's a journey. It can be stressful.
It is always.
It's always stressful. And this year, Mom said she doesn't want any part of it because it is stressful, most stressful for her. So we did what any great Yukon man would do. We called for help. And we got no infant.
Yeah.
We got this.
So the five of us are gonna pull off the topper. The goal is to get the camper on, not wreck the back windshield, not wreck the wheel wells, not wreck the camper, all of the above. We've done it before. We know what we're doing.
For the most part.
And with the added expertise of Noah and Finn, what could go wrong?
Expertise.
Be optimistic.
Yeah.
We'll check back at the site where our camper is being stored, and then we'll get this show on the road. Okay, fellas, we arrived. There it is, the Adventurer. The first job is we have to empty the truck. Let's get that going. Well, the back is empty except for the sleigh. If you're wondering, why do you have a sleigh back there? Well, in the winter, we keep it back there and then we attach it to our snow machine for fun times on the lake. And it's a beast when there's no snow because then the skis don't work. But now we have to get that out of here. It's topper time. Gotta get the toolkit.
Funny moment.
We gotta take off these babies.
Send a wrench.
You know how to use a wrench.
Send a wrench. Got 3 of them off. We're almost there. Home stretch. Jude and Luke,
Yeah.
please explain what this is. Why do we have this thing?
This is a cardboard stick.
Well, you see, we got this truck for a good deal, so this is a good deal.
So yeah, we got this truck for a good deal. The truck's pretty awesome, but it came with a topper that's not so optimum.
We
So
got this stick, and it's just like,
I don't even know where we got it.
I think it was in like packaging materials for like a barbecue or something. We've used it for like a couple of years now.
yeah.
It's
One winter it got a bit soggy from the snow, and then it bent, and then it like fits. So,
Look.
But you want to show everyone what happens when we don't have our little cardboard?
yeah.
In the winter, it keeps the snow out, keeps the rain out.
Also really heavy. Like,
Also,
this is heavier than it looks.
It is very heavy. The whole topper is actually heavy.
so then if you're like, I don't know, if you're by yourself or something, this is down. You put something in the back of here, and you gotta like lift the tailgate.
But then you got to lift that.
And put that.
And then we got these little cool things
yeah.
because none of the locks work.
Yeah, none of these work.
But now we lock this and then we lost the key.
So now
We leave that, and here's what we do. Remember, you gotta lift
you gotta
it,
lift that,
and then do this, and then now it's closed.
and then you gotta fight with it again to get it back in. And then
Yeah,
There it is.
there it is. This is like a classic redneck Yukon topper.
Yeah.
But we love it. It's ours, and it's paid for. So you know, there you go. Now is the time we hate the worst. It doesn't look like it, but this is like one of the most awkward, heaviest toppers.
it's like close to moving a couch downstairs.
It feels like it. Every spring, every fall, this is what we do. And so it's time.
year.
All right, one person goes inside. Are you going in, Luke? Nice move. So one person is going to lift in the middle so that we twist it a little bit, and then we're going to put it perpendicular to the bed of the truck, and then we're going to lift it up and we'll store it. I'm going to put the camera down, get the GoPro, and then we'll do it together. All right, we did step 1. So now we carry it over there on top of the sleigh. All right, next step. Gentlemen, give yourselves high fives. That was some strong work.
That was horrendous. Just a regular high five. No, we're figuring this out.
What are you figuring out?
There it is.
Ooh, a little pop. So, all right. The sleigh is stored under the topper.
We have a little puppy.
We got.
It's like a Pomeranian that's actually nice.
Is that a puppy?
I think it's a bear.
What is that? What is that thing? It's a little visitor. That is the smallest fur ball I've ever seen in my life.
He's the fluffiest dog I've ever seen.
He's very friendly.
So excited.
He's way friendlier than most dogs like this, huh? Or like the most.
Oh my goodness.
He might get caught somewhere. You might get caught somewhere and get squished. All right, come here. Hi. Hi, you want to say hello to the camera? Say hello. Too excited.
Just crashing.
Too excited. So many people. That is. Look. All right, it's time to get back to work.
So, just for our remembering, and so that you guys can remind us maybe, we are putting these in the sleigh.
Oh, yeah, in the little compartment. Oh, yeah. The topper tie downs, they're going in there. So we can't forget.
We can't forget them.
In the fall, where's the topper tie down?
Drop a comment reminding us.
Yeah.
Drop a comment.
Don't we normally sweep this out?
We do. You got a broom?
No. I think Mom actually normally brings. Wait, no, there's one in the camper.
There's one in the camper. To the camper. This dog is just with us now, and they've named him, what's his name? Derek.
Or more precisely,
Derek.
Oh my goodness. Thanks for sweeping. I think I got blasted with all that. Good job, Jude. Okay, now it's time to start backing the truck up. We'll raise the camper up, and then I'm gonna back in, drop it down into the bed of the truck, and hopefully it goes seamlessly. But let's get it in position first. Don't make me crash. The next step is the cranks.
So then we can put them in there.
There's 4 of them.
Lower or raise it.
He's got some Twizzler happening here.
Twizzies. And then, I don't know why, it's satisfying to do this.
What are the advantages to having 4 cranks?
you can lower it all at the same time.
There you go. Instead of doing like 7, and then move to this one, 7. Oh, look at that, it's uneven. Let's do this one again. 7.
It's the worst.
Let's do them at the same time.
That's right. 4 guys cranking at the same time. And then once it's up, we're going to pull these boards out. These 2x10s, I believe, are going to go in the back of the truck. And then we pull the pallets out. And then hopefully we drive under it and we don't smash it.
Yeah.
That's the goal. Let's get into position. Okay, so talk to us about this.
It's called a HappiJac.
It's a HappiJac stand.
So, this arrow, this way, says extend, this one retract.
Let's see if we can see that.
Barely.
I need to close up. Extend and retract. So when it's up in the middle,
It's
this way, extend.
Pushing this out and extending it higher.
That's right. That's what we want to do to get the boards out.
The cat's name is literally named Smokey.
Smokey, you're going to get smoked. How many lives do you have?
What one are you on?
You're going to get squished. You can't be back there.
But cat videos get so many views.
Yeah. Now in that video.
Noah, are you ready?
I am indeed.
Jude, you ready?
Sir.
Luke, ready?
Never. Yeah, I'm good.
Finn?
Ready.
Okay, here we go.
Are we all gonna turn the right way?
Remember, we're extending. Okay, 7 cranks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Everyone did 7? And look at that. Bend down.
We have liftoff.
Look at how even that is. That is some strong work. Smokey, how did we do? You know your name?
Smokey's trained better than Derek.
Derek's not the real name.
I know.
Oh, it's actually Timmy.
It's Timmy.
Timmy is the dog's name.
Timmy and Smokey. Smokey got out of the back, so that's good. Let's go 7 more up.
All right.
I'm at 7.
I'm at 7. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, this is beauty. We can now pull the boards out and put them in the bed of the truck.
Man, I'm so bored of this.
That was so lame.
Okay, so just pull those.
So one is gonna go right close to this wheel well, like that, nice and tight. The other one goes tight to the other wheel well. All right, you wanna grab this other side? And then this goes in the middle. Some of you may be wondering, why do you have these boards here? Why don't you just put this on here, put it in the back bed of the truck? Derek's back. The dog. As we were saying, the reason why we put these boards in here, so see under there, as this all fits in, this part here and the distance from here to here, it's not enough. It actually hits here. If we put these boards here, it sits here, and then we end up having a bit of space right there. And so it fits really nice. So that's why we do that. This can be the sketchy part. As you can see, the camper's floating. The goal here is to get the pallets out, and then there's gonna just be open space, but you don't wanna be spending lots of time underneath the camper while it's floating like that. So we go one guy on one side and one on the other. We grab the pallets, shoot them out the back one by one, giving a bit of space, giving some time, just checking the camper, making sure everything's solid. No one touches the camper, no one leans on the camper. I'm sure it's fine, I'm sure it's safe, but just to make sure when it's floating like this, just don't touch it. Let's get these pallets out and then we'll get the truck backed up. Okay, time to get the camper on.
All right, back it up.
Back. You're actually in really good line.
I know.
Well done, Jude.
Thank you, sir. Yep.
Back.
Back it up.
Keep going.
Back it up. Keep going. Good there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Yeah, good.
Keep going.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh. Okay, stop. Go forward.
Go forward.
Bit more. More. Okay.
We're having to crank it 7 more times because it's just a little too tight here. So the guys are lifting it up a little bit more. Okay, let's give it another try. This is some power. It charges our batteries. Jude's plugging it in down there into the bed of the truck. Maybe. It's a little difficult. Probably should have done it before we put it on, maybe. When you guys do it, plug all this in and maybe lift it higher. Okay. But then we also want to make sure that this cord doesn't get squished. He's working blind here, folks.
Yeah, I don't know.
Did he get it? Will he get it?
Oh, is that it?
Did he get it?
I think he went a little high.
Oh. Is that it?
Jude, you can do it.
You can do it, Jude.
Got it.
You did? Round of applause for Jude.
Let him cook.
So now we're retracting, we're not extending. Okay, so we got this bubble here. It's looking in the middle, so we're doing good there. Let's check the other bubble. Looks like you guys are still a little high. I think Noah and Jude, you guys can go down another 3. Retract the legs right up, all the way up. once your jack stand is floating, you can let it go.
We're good.
That's good. Yep, you're good. Boys, the camper's on.
How good? How good?
You guys are amazing. We got to do the tie downs, but that's okay. Luke,
Me.
it's time for your trick. Okay, Luke, the last time we showed the world this,
It went very well.
it went very well.
Extremely well.
People loved it.
Yes.
It was a crazy good hack.
So, we're gonna try it again. So, what we do is we take our little nut, make sure it's
That's a bolt.
bolt. Nuts, bolts, whatever. We take it so it fits right in here, so it's the right one. Then, we just take the other end, we put it in here. and
Tighten it
use-
up.
So it's nice and tight. And then, we check it's going the right way. Yes, it is going up.
Look at that. Now, how many cranks did you just do?
A lot.
That would have been so many.
So many.
And then we lock it. Locked.
Is up. It may not be for you guys, but it is for us.
Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Lock it. Next one. Oh, yeah. Lock it. Last but not least. Sweet. Good job. High five.
High five.
Woo! So these are already set. 2 of them are for the front and they're sized appropriately, and 2 of them for the back. So these are already set for the right sizes for the front and the back. These lock in here, and then these into your camper. These are called tie downs. This little system, 2 bolts, as you tighten that, these 2 bolts get closer together and it cinches the camper down on the truck bed. The camper's gonna be crazy tight to that truck bed. And then when you're going around corners or you're hitting potholes and the normal movement of the road, the weight of the camper is gonna be really sucked down into the truck bed, and so it'll flex with the truck instead of it getting really tippy. These are essential. You can't just throw a truck top camper in the back of your truck and just head out. You will lose it for sure. We're gonna set up the GoPro and we're gonna get these fastened on here. Here's what I mean by these tie downs. So connected under there, these 2 bolts go in this mechanism, and as I pull it and tighten it, it's cinching it up from both sides, squeezing these bolts into this centerpiece, pulling pressure from there as well as from there. We see Jude already did his, and it's nice and tight. Now we're almost ready, and we're loading the last bit, the cooler. Brick. 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 Brick.
Yo. Just end the video.
This is the end.
There's something over here, there's something over here, and I'm too tired to care.
Like, subscribe, share.
All the things.
Do whatever. All that YouTube stuff. Thank you so much for watching.
Yep.
See ya. Until next time.